Check out this 2010 Chrysler Town & Country. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Optimize your fuel economy while saving money in the long term with the great miles per gallon offered in this vehicle. This vehicle has a solid and powerful engine. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. Pamper yourself with memory settings. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. If safety is a concern, know you're covered with this vehicle's features. Call today to schedule a test drive.